Good day everyone. I will continue presenting grammar lesson with Maranaw translation. This time another type of noun which is concrete nouns. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are perceived by the senses such as touch, taste, hearing, smell, sight. So concrete nouns nakasab o di nakasino o mga sipat ibarato upper o di nakapot panaantaam pamakinag baw kailay. Examples mga ibarat: table, lamisaan; can be touched, seen; kakaptan, kailay; sugar, gula; can be tasted, touched, or seen; kataam, kakaptan, kailay; thunder, dalandag; can be heard, kanag; dish, as food; mialoto asada; can be smelled, touched, seen; kabaw, kakaptan, kailay; lightning, kilakilat; can be seen, kailay. Have fun learning. Thank you for listening. Till next. Bye-bye.